In this video, I will show you how to measure the radiation pattern of the circular polarized antenna. So this is the radiation pattern, the polarization radiation pattern of the antenna. So in this radiation pattern, we have the antenna under test over here on this gimbal, which is over there, and the linear polarized horn antenna is on the other side, and I am rotating this linear polarized horn antenna in the 360 degrees axis. Actually, I am rotating it 180 degrees because after that it is symmetrical, so I'm just rotating it 180 degrees. And you notice that after each step, so it's around 3 degrees step, so after each step of 3 degrees, this motion controller, it stops, and then when it stops, I have the power meter which is placed behind this this horn antenna, and the measurement on the power meter is recorded on the MATLAB script which I am running. So every step of around 3 degrees this is done, and it measures like the full circle. And when one circle is complete, the antenna under test goes to the next position. So you just saw, I don't know if you noticed or not. So the antenna under test, it moved to another position in the elevation plane. So it moved around, so there is also a step of 3 degrees which it moved, and again the linear polarized horn antenna, it is again rotating in the circle, and in every 3 degrees step it stops, and the power level is measured by the script. So what I want to show is that antenna under test, it stays at one position, and for that position the horn antenna, it rotates 360 degrees, and the measurements of the power level are recorded for all different steps. And then the antenna under test moves to the next position, and again the same procedure is done. The horn antenna is moved in the complete circle, and the polarization pattern is measured at that angle. So in that way, we rotate the antenna under test in all different angles which we desire, and for each angle we rotate the horn antenna around its axis for a complete circle, and measure the power levels for each step in that circle. So now you see, yeah, now it moved to the next step, and again the horn antenna will rotate in the circle. And here you can notice that once it rotates clockwise, and in the other turn it rotates anti-clockwise. So the cable, it does not get tension, and it doesn't get broken. So this is how we measure the radiation pattern of the circular polarized antenna. And after the measurements, if I plot the radiation pattern, it will look like this one. So here you can see, for example, here it's the broad side. The antenna under test is looking at the broad side, and it's like step of 4 degrees. So here it is -2 degrees, and here it is +2 degrees. And these are 29 steps, these small circles which you see. So these are 29 steps, and here they are more clear. So here we see these 29 steps which the linear polarized standard antenna it rotates in the around its axis. So these are the 29 steps, the power levels measured at the 29 steps. So for example, here when the antenna under test is looking at minus 90 degrees, these are the power levels which are measured at 29 different steps when the antenna under test is looking at minus 90 degrees. Likewise, for example, if we see over here, so here the angle is around, I think, 25 degrees. So these are also 29 steps, but the polarization is very good at this angle, and we just see maybe two circles over here, but these are actually 29 circles, because the horn antenna it makes 29 29 steps in complete circle. Likewise, you see at the angle over here at around 6 minus 6 degrees. So we just see one circle. It means that the antenna is perfectly polarized, perfectly circular polarized at this place. So the polarization at this point is 0 dB, or if we see in the absolute term it is 1. So all these 29 points, so the power level is same at all 29 different steps. And you see here when we go more towards the away from the broad side, the positive side as well as the negative side, so the axial ratio it gets worse. And axial ratio is actually the difference of the upper value and the lower value. So at each step of the antenna under test, so for example, if we take for example this step, so at this angle, if this angle is for example minus let us say 36 degrees or something, so and if we say the stop circle, the stop point is at 16 dBm, and the lower point is at 8 dBm. So it means that the axial ratio at this point is 16 minus 8, so that is 8 dBm. 8 dB is the axial ratio at this angle. And at this angle, this minus 6 degrees, where we see just single circle, so it is just a single circle, so the maximum and the minimum values both are around 25 dBm. So the difference of them is 0 dB. So the axial ratio at this point is 0 dB for this antenna. So this is what is called the polarization radiation pattern of the circular polarized antenna, and this radiation pattern shows that what is the axial ratio at different points, at different angles, when the antenna under test is rotated to different angles. Yeah. So if you have any questions, uh, please leave it in the comments, and I will try to answer that. Thank you.